Hey guys, so today I'm going to do aesthetic shoot in garden. So for the first shoot, you just need to sit somewhere just opposite to sun, and here's the result. This is one of my favorite, and इस filter की link आपको description में मिल जाएगी. So now for the second pose, I'm using this book. You just need to hide your face as if you're hiding it from sunlight, and yes, here's the result. So now for the next one, I'm using this gate and the result turns so beautiful.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight.
So for the next one, we'll use this wall.
Is a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do.
So for this pose, we'll use this gate by keeping our phone at low angle.
No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just.
So guys, last but not the least is the pose with this rose, and it turns so beautiful.
Can't afford memories.